To begin, I'm taking the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. This is my favorite drugstore product. It definitely makes everything just stick seamlessly to the face. I love how tacky it gets when it begins to dry. So we're just going to put this all over the face. Next, I'm taking the e.l.f. setting spray and I'm just going to spray over my face to lock in the primer that I just applied. Now I'm going in with the Nars Longwear foundation. I'm just going to begin to put this on my face. Normally I would color correct because as you can see I do have some acne scars. But today I just felt like skipping that step. So we just going to blend, blend, blend till we can't blend no more, child. Now taking my Revlon concealer, I'm going to begin to hit under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, the forehead, the chin. Y'all know the drill. It's nothing new. So we're just going to highlight those areas. Taking the same beauty blender that we used for the foundation, we're going to begin to blend out the concealer. Blend for your life, child. I love beauty blenders. I don't know what people stop using beauty blenders. Everybody just using brushes now. But you know what? A beauty blender ain't never let me down. So we just going to blend, 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 child. And then we're going to be using Old and Faithful Airspun to just set that concealer in place. I like to put it everywhere I put my concealer. I sweat and I crease throughout the day. So this just ensures that everything is where it needs to be. So we're just going to pat, pat, pat. I'm going to powder contour using my Nars bronzer. Normally I would do a liquid first and then go on top with this to set it, but this is my everyday routine and powder is just easier. So I'm gonna go and hit those areas of my face that I want to appear more chiseled, just to give me that more, you know, snatched look. And child, a blush hate to see me coming, so I'm going to go in with my Essence Pink Blush. I absolutely love this stuff, and I'm just going to put this up on my cheekbones, really. I guess that's my cheekbones, yeah. Just, you know, to add a little color to the face so I'm not looking so flat. I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera, child, because it ain't nothing new. We're going in with the Anastasia Dip Brow in the color dark brown, and I'm going to do a little highlight just to snatch it up. We're finally to the fun part. We're gonna go in with the Juvias Place, the Rebel Mints palette, and we're just gonna begin to hit the under eyes and add that pop of color. So really, it's 4 colors in the palette. I'm gonna start with the lightest shade and then work my way up to the darkest. So that's what we're gonna be doing for the under eye. I did feel like my inner corners needed a pop of color, so I'm taking the 2 shimmery shades at the top and I'm blending them together, and I'm just gonna hit my inner corners with it, period, because I like that shimmer and I feel like I needed that little extra oomph, and I ain't too mad at it. How about y'all? And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, we putting on some mascara. I personally hate doing mascara. It's my least favorite thing in the entire makeup process. Same goes for lashes, because it just always gets so messy for me. Like, look at that transfer, but I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna be applying my false lashes off camera as well. I believe they're the Adele lashes, but honestly, you guys, don't quote me on that, because these lashes were laying around and they're not in the original box. So I have no clue the lashes that I'm putting on in today's video. I have no clue where they're from, you guys. I'm so sorry. For all I know, they some lashes that I stacked together. And of course, while putting on my lashes, I messed up my concealer, but that's okay. I'm gonna fix it. No big deal. Taking my lip liner by MAC in the color Cork and just lining my lips with it. I don't care what shade lipstick I choose to wear. I'm gonna have me a brown lip liner. I live by it. It's my holy grail. It is what it is. I'm gonna do a brown lip liner every single time. The lipstick I'm using is also by MAC in the color Snob. I love it. It's like a bubblegum pink, but it's subtle at the same time. And I love how when you put a gloss on top of this, it just really tones down the brightness of the pink. So it's a very versatile color if you ask me. And yeah, I love it. Now we're going in with the Covergirl Yummy Gloss. I love this. It blends the lipstick and the liner together perfectly. And yeah, that's pretty much the final look, you guys. If you stayed to the end, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.